Hi there, we are your TuffHill eBikes team and we are delighted to present to you this video to help you get to know your TuffHill eBike. Let's start with the cockpit or your handlebars. On the left you have your control buttons, in the middle your display, and on the right your gear shifter. Oh, and don't forget the bell. First thing to learn is how to turn your e-bike on. Hold the power button down for 3 seconds. The display screen will light up. Now you're ready to ride. By pressing the plus or minus buttons, you can increase or reduce the level of pedal assist. Notice that the range readout will change with the level of pedal assist to reflect how many kilometers you have left to ride on your battery charge. On the display, you can see your speed, pedal assist level, and other information about your ride that can be accessed by pressing the I button. You also have your battery charge level and your time. This is how you shift gears on your TuffHill eBike. Twist the shifter forward to make your ride easier. This is perfect for going uphill. Or twist the shifter towards yourself to go faster. Perfect for going on flat or downhill paths. One thing to make sure of is you never want to force your shifter. If it's stuck, either you're at the end of your range or you should keep pedaling as you shift gently to make the shifting smoother. Your lights will turn on automatically when your e-bike is running in low or no light conditions. If you want to turn on your lights manually, just hold down the lights button until the light comes on. Your rear light turns on automatically whenever you use the brakes. This is an important safety feature on your TuffHill eBike. To set the time, press the I button twice. This brings up the display menu. Press the I button to select display setting. Use the minus button to scroll down to the set clock setting. Press I. Use the plus or minus buttons to set to the current time. Pressing I brings you to the next number to set. When you're done, press I again and you'll go back to the display settings. Press the I button twice to exit the display menu. This is how you reset your trip meter. Press the I button twice to bring up the display menu. Press I again on display settings. Use the minus button to scroll down to trip reset. Click I. Press the minus button so it says yes. Then hit I again. It will say cleared, meaning that the trip meter has been reset. Press the I button twice to exit the display menu. This is your Dutch frame lock. Insert the key, twist it forward and hold. Push down the handle so the lock feeds to the spokes. Then release the key and voila! This is a nice locking feature for quick stops when you need only basic theft protection, like running into your local boulangerie to get your baguette. To charge your battery, you can plug in your charger directly to the bike when your battery is in place. On the left side of your bike, you have your keyhole to unlock and remove your battery. Key goes in, twist, and the battery partially comes out. Then twist the release on the battery, turn the wheel, and pull it out. To put the battery back in, hold it parallel to the bike frame. Insert the bottom part first, then push in the top part, and it will lock in place. To adjust your seat height, you'll need a 4mm hex wrench to loosen the bracket. You want your seat height to allow you to touch the ground with the balls of both feet. When you find the proper height, tighten the bolt to 7 Nm. To adjust the stem angle, loosen the front bolt with your 4mm hex wrench. This will allow you to move your stem forward and backward. Tighten it in the desired position. Loosen the top bolts to adjust the angle of your handlebars. If you're ever wondering what your tire pressure should be, you can check right here. You want to be on the lower end for a smoother, more comfortable ride. This is your mid-drive motor, propelled by your belt drive into the Enviolo internal gear hub. These make up your drive train. If you want to give your belt drive some extra TLC when the teeth get too much dust, you can spray it with water to get rid of any squeaky noises. Avoid twisting or pulling on the belt drive. To remove the back wheel, start by placing the bike upside down. Use a 15mm wrench to loosen the bolts on both sides. With your finger, release the bottom cable to detach it from the wheel. With a tool, release the top cable. Once that's out, lift your wheel, releasing the belt drive. To install the back wheel, wrap the belt drive around it, making sure the cables don't get caught. Fit the wheel into the slot and tighten the bolts. Then feed the cables back into place. Insert them into their proper slot. Top cable first, then the bottom cable. Secure them both with the latch. Do a final tightening of the bolts. Make sure to reach out if you need any further support. We are here for you and want you to love your TuffHill eBike experience. Thanks for watching.